Welcome to the Research Proposal Preparatory Course. The purpose of this video is to set out how the course will be presented. Welcome to the first step of your postgraduate journey. The process of preparing a good research proposal is essential for making a success of your master's degree. The research proposal can be likened to the foundation of a building. Without a strong and sound foundation, a building cannot be stable. The purpose of this course is to help you develop a good research proposal. This lecture sets the scene for the course so that you know what will be expected from you and what you can expect from the course. There is a narrated lecture for each topic. The topics are introduced later in this lecture. Each lecture is followed by a short quiz to test whether you have reached the learning outcomes of the lecture. Note that you need to pass each quiz before you will be able to continue to the next lecture. There will also be additional online and reading activities to teach you the necessary skills. Information about these will be made available as you progress through the course. If you have any questions while busy with the course, you can direct them to the course coordinator. Contact details are provided in your online environment. If and when necessary, there will be online discussions to address possible issues or difficult areas. Feel free to request a discussion at any time. You will use Constructing a Good Dissertation by Eric Hofstee. This is an excellent book that takes you step by step through the process. You will also use this book extensively when you write your dissertation or thesis. You will be told when you need to read what section of the book. The course notes were prepared by the course coordinator and is used for the lectures. These notes provide additional insight to the research process of the economic and management sciences and also guide you step by step through the preparation of the research proposal. You must read through the course notes before each lecture. The lectures only cover the most essential aspects, whereas the material contain additional valuable information. It is not compulsory to print the notes. It depends how it is easiest for you to read. You will need a laptop or desktop computer with Google Chrome and a good internet connection. This is your responsibility. Seeing that the course is online, you will have to be able to connect to the internet regularly to access the course material. From the library website, you can download the referencing software EndNote free of charge. More specific instructions on referencing will follow in later lectures. You can download the MS Office Word template for the research proposal. This is in the correct format for research proposals submitted to departments in the Faculty of Economic and Management Sciences of the University of Pretoria. The basic layout of a research proposal is similar in any related faculty in South Africa, but just make sure before you submit your document to a university other than Pretoria that you use the correct format. For Part A, Lectures 2 to 7 that follow after this introduction, and welcome lecture, we will uncover some of the basic principles of research, including the characteristics of a good research topic. In Part B, Lectures 8 to 11, we will look at the separate sections of the research proposal and what is expected from you in each section. I hope you will find this an enjoyable experience and that you will learn a lot.